Hi, I'm Chuck Mason for Line 6, and today I'm going to be talking about our new Dream Stage system. The Dream Stage system is a paradigm shift in live sound. What is a paradigm shift, you may ask? A paradigm shift is a revolutionary change in theory or action, and in this, Line 6 really delivers. You can see that this is a brand new design in a digital mixer. There's nothing on the market that looks like this. What it is a smart mixer. You can control parameters on the screen or with these rotary encoders. And that will change depending what page you're on and what function or parameter you want to change. So it's very easy to set up. We'll get into setup mode. And what we have here are basically 18 auto-sensing inputs. What is an auto-sensing input? Well, let's find out. Let's plug in our microphone. And as you can see, a microphone automatically appears on the stage. You can move that anywhere depending on, you might want to mic a bass drum or a guitar cabinet, a bass cabinet. In this case, we're going to go with a male vocal. Now here are a series of icons that you can scroll through that are presets. And they're all really excellent. They're designed by our award-winning engineers at Line 6. And they range from vocal sounds, drums, guitar, bass, keyboards, really everything you need for a live sound situation. So I'm going to go with the male with reverb. And as you can see, that icon automatically appears on the stage with the microphone. And I'm going to turn the volume up with our rotary encoder and turn the main volume up. And we're going to have some sound. Check, testing, 1, 2. And as you can see, that's how easy it is to get a great sound with the Line 6 StageScape M20D. What's also revolutionary about the system is our proprietary Line 6 digital wire technology. With this one digital AES EBU cable, you can control up to 18 of our speakers with the Line 6 link. That would be 9 tops and 9 subs for a total of 18 speakers. The L3T top has 1400 watts. The L3S sub here has 1200 watts. And they're great sounding speakers. And they're smart speakers as well. I'll get more into that in a little bit. So we have our setup here. You see how easy it was to get a good sound on our microphone. I'm going to go to a previous setup that I had for a concert I did with this system. And here we go. And as you can see, this is a whole band setup with guitars, bass, drums, and 5 different vocalists. So as you can see, there's no faders here. So it's very easy to set up your whole live band when you're doing a sound check. And what we use there is auto trim. We put it into auto trim. We choose all our inputs. We press these buttons and turn them on. And instead of you having to go through each channel, getting your gain structure together, you have the band start to play. You press a button called Start Analysis, and the band will be playing. And the M20D will be checking out each track and giving you the optimal level for your mix. So we're done. We confirm the changes. And we have all our presets and all our gain structure, and it's ready to go. So I'm going to go back to another original setup. I'll set that up again. Okay, we're back to the male with reverb. I'm going to turn this up. And we still have sound. So let's say that all these presets are really good. I mean, you hear this one. Let's say there's something you want to tweak. So what we have here, we'll press this button and we're in tweak mode. And what this is an XY screen that is controllable with one finger. With one finger you can control many different parameters. Tone, punch, there's de-esser in there. and it's really set up for communication for the non-engineer. So let's say you have a singer, and we have 4 different adjectives here that a singer might ask for: clarity, air, full, project. So we're going to start out in a neutral setting. This is neutral. And a singer might say, well, give me more air. And you have, in a regular situation, the engineer would have to interpret that, but here it's right here. So air, 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 air. It really brightens up the sound and really gives it a lot more air. So let's say you are a professional engineer and you can really communicate with what you want. So instead of going into the simple quick tweak mode, we would go into the deep tweak mode. And there we have a full suite of effects. Gate, dynamic EQ, compression, and it's all highly controllable by the rotary encoders here, or you can even adjust the parameters with your finger on the smart screen as such. I don't know if you can see that well, but you can control we're on EQ now, and I'm changing, EQ levels, or these can be done with the rotary encoders. This is the gate. And in addition to auto trim, we have trim tracking. Trim tracking, let's put it into a situation that we're all familiar with in live sound, where the guitar player keeps turning up all night. Well, in that situation, when we have trim tracking on, that will keep his guitar level at an optimum level through the PA system if he keeps turning it up. Like, he'll turn up his guitar amp on stage and his stage volume will increase, but through the PA it'll keep him at nominal level. We also have feedback suppression on every mic channel. That works only in conjunction with our Line 6 speakers. You wouldn't get that with any other kind of system. So you would, your singer would be playing, singing, and maybe get too close to a speaker or something. If it would feedback, the mixer would remember that exact frequency and turn that exact frequency off for the rest of the night. So that's another great feature. So let's go into record mode. Now there's 2 modes. One is, so it would correspond to setting up. Let's say you have your band, you've done your auto trim, you could record them with internal memory for up to 20 seconds and have the band go take a break. You would have that on a loop, and you would be able to further tweak the mix to your satisfaction while the band takes a break. And that would, that's just a very conducive way to